Gamers, brace yourselves. Samsung's Odyssey 3D is here, and it's unlike anything you've seen before. Samsung's new Odyssey 3D monitor ditches the glasses and dives straight into the future with groundbreaking light-field display technology. Say goodbye to eyewear and hello to lifelike 3D visuals, thanks to its advanced eye tracking and view mapping. Whether you're into FPS or RPGs, this monitor's got you covered with 4K resolution, a blazing 165Hz refresh rate, and a lightning-fast 1 ms response time. Plus, it comes in two sizes, 27 and 37, to fit any gaming setup. But Samsung didn't stop there. At Gamescom, they also showcased their entire Odyssey OLED lineup, featuring models with dual QHD resolution and ultra-wide screens. And of course, the immersive experience zone was a gamer's paradise. Samsung's commitment to innovation keeps them at the top, holding the #1 spot in the global gaming monitor market for 5 years running. No release date or price yet, but expect it to be premium. This is the future of gaming after all. Stay tuned for more tech news and visit our site, Pcgaminglab.com. Happy gaming!